Hello students, in the previous class we have started with marketing environment and we have seen that there are two main components in marketing environment. First one is macro environment factors and second one is micro environment factors. In macro environment, forces includes economic environment, technological environment, socio-cultural environment, political, legal, demographic or consumer environment, government policies and natural environment. So all these are the macro environment forces out of which we have discussed about economic environment. And in today's class we are going to talk about the next macro environment forces. So the second one is technological environment or technology environment. As we know that every business firm does the environment analysis and technological environment forms the most crucial part of environment analysis for a business firm because of the following three reasons. The first reason is rapid change in technologies. As we know that rapid changes are taking place in technologies. For example, in telecommunication industry, earlier we had broadband and the broadband is replaced by the 2G, then came 3G, then 3G is replaced by 4G and very soon now 4G is also going to be replaced by 5G. So we can see over here how rapidly the changes are taking place in the technology. So these are nothing but this 5G, 4G are nothing but the changes in the technology which is going to increase the speed of internet. The second reason, something new is coming up all the time on the technology front. For example, advent of electronic vehicles resulting no pollution, and one way we can have a control on pollution with the help of using electronic vehicles. Third reason, breakthroughs are happening in several spheres of technology. That is, in case of ICT, that is information communication technology, due to revolution in the ICT, social networking has made or has started to replace email and has made one-to-one communication possible. That is, business firms can have direct contact with their customers with the help of social networking or with the help of social media platforms are available. Because of above three reasons, marketers should monitor the following four trends in the technology by which they can grab the opportunities are available for the business firms because of the changes in technological environment, as well as what are the threats or how the changes in technologies are threatening to the business firm by which they can come out from those threats and they can convert their strengths, convert their weaknesses into strengths. Okay, so the marketers should monitor these four trends in the technology. He has to monitor about the accelerating pace of changes in the technology. He has to monitor what are the unlimited opportunities are there for innovation due to the technology, and varying research and development budgets. That is, due to the innovations in the technology, every firms are spending more and more capital on the research and development. So they are giving more budget for the R&D activities by which they can come up with the new goods and services with the help of innovative features, innovative technology, and this is possible when they work more on research and development. So the marketer need to verify, need to monitor about the varying research and development budgets of a business organization, and he has to also monitor about the increased regulation of technology change. There are so many regulatory authorities are there in the India. So what are the he has to monitor about the increased regulation of technology change. For example, the drugs controller of India is responsible for approval of new drugs, clinical trials in the country, standards for drugs and control over the quality of imported drugs. So he has to monitor about the regulatory authorities which is imposed on the technologies, by which this information can be used by the marketer, and with the help of this information they can prepare their strategies. And that is the reason technological environment plays a vital role, or it is a most crucial part in environment analysis. The next macro environment force is socio-cultural environment. Now what is socio-cultural environment? Culture, social class, traditions, beliefs, values and lifestyles of the people in a given society constitute the socio-cultural environment of a country. And the meaningful information on the consumption habits, lifestyles, and buying behavior of the people can obtained through a survey of socio-cultural environment. So with the help of this information, marketer can prepare a strategies, they can prepare their promotional activities as per the changes in socio-cultural environment, because what cultural environment is there in India will not be same in the international market. So for Indian market as well as for foreign market, the marketing strategies should be different. So for this reason, the marketer need to monitor about socio-cultural environment and the changes in this environment. And the next force is political environment. As we know that political environment is and economic environment will go hand in hand, because in fact economic environment is often a byproduct of the political environment, since economic policies of a nation depends on the political setup. So whatever economic policies are there in a country, that is depend upon what is political setup is there in the country, political environment is there in the country. And that is the reason I said political environment and economic environment will go hand in hand. Industries growth, because industries growth depends to a great extent on the political climate. So how importance is given for the growth of industrial sector is depend on the what is the economic environment in a country. So that is why I said industries growth is depends to a great extent on the political climate in a country. Legislation regulating business are also often a product of the political environment. So that is the reason political environment plays a vital role in the growth of economic country or growth and development of a country. The several aspects of the political environment are: what is the form of government adopted by a country? We have two forms of government, that is autocratic and democratic. In India, we have democratic form of government. So which form of government is there? That is also play a vital role in what kind of political environment the country may have. So in India, we have democratic form of government. Now the second aspect is political stability. The country has political stability or no, that also marketer need to verify, because if the country has stable political environment, so whatever policies they framed, those policies will get implement, those plans will get properly implement. If there is no political stability, then there will be no proper implementation of economic plans. So to have a proper implementation of economic plans, we need to have a political stability. Then next aspect is economic and social orientation of the main political parties. The ruling parties in a country or the main political parties in a country, we need to check out and what kind of social approaches those parties have, or what kind of social orientation these political countries have, that political parties have, that also need to be verified by the not verify, monitor by the marketer. The next one, the single, whether a country has single party government, whether there is a coalition government, that is in center as well as in the coalition government, and what is the relation between the center and state government. That also plays a vital role to have a stable political condition in a country. Suppose in the center and the state, if there is a same political parties ruling, then the country will have a stable political environment. And suppose in the center the different political parties there, and in state different political political parties, then there will be no coordination between the state government and the central government. So all these aspects will play a vital role, or they will decide what is the political environment in a country, and political environment will decide what will be the economic environment in a country. And marketer need to verify, need to monitor both the environment, political as well as economic environment, because as I said, these both environment will go hand in hand. In fact, as I said, economic environment is a byproduct of political environment. These are the political parties who will decide what should be the economic policies, economic plans in the country. Okay, in the next class we are going to talk about the next macro environment forces. I hope you understood the technological environment, the socio-cultural environment and political environment. Okay, thank you.